Ever wondered what seller concessions mean when buying a home? Well, let's unravel this real estate term together. Seller concessions refer to an agreement where the home seller assists the buyer with specific costs related to the home purchase. It's an important part of real estate transactions and can be a win-win for both parties involved. Imagine the seller helping you shoulder some of your buying expenses. Intriguing, right? So, seller concessions are not about lowering the home's price, but about aiding the buyer with certain costs. Now, why would a home seller offer concessions, you may wonder? Well, there are a few reasons. For one, concessions can attract more potential buyers, making the property more appealing. It can also speed up the sale, especially if the property has lingered on the market for some time. By offering concessions, sellers can address any potential concerns buyers may have up front, whether it's about closing costs or necessary repairs. In essence, seller concessions can be a strategic move to facilitate a smoother and quicker sale. But what can these seller concessions include? Well, they can encompass a variety of elements. Most commonly, they include closing costs, which are fees related to finalizing the sale. Then, there are repair credits, where the seller agrees to foot the bill for certain repairs. Also, prepaid expenses like property taxes or homeowner's insurance could be taken care of by the seller. Remember, these concessions are typically negotiated and agreed upon during the home buying process. From closing costs to repairs, seller concessions can cover a variety of expenses. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine a home seller offering a $5,000 seller concession. This doesn't necessarily mean a lower price tag on the home. Rather, it could be used to cover closing costs, home repairs, or even homeowner's insurance. This concession acts like a credit, reducing the buyer's upfront costs and making the initial investment less overwhelming. So, a seller concession of $5,000 could mean significant savings for a home buyer, making the property more affordable and attractive. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.